Hello everyone, Caleb with Dansie Design Build here. Today we're talking about how long it takes to build a basement walkout entry as an addition to your existing home. So in short, a basement walkout entry and the bulk of the construction work will happen within a 2 to 3 week window. There are a few things that we need to do before we can start construction and that we'll have to do after most of the construction is done. There's 3 phases to a basement walkout entry project. The first phase is the design phase, where we enter into our design agreement and we are able to produce the drawings and the engineering that the city will require for getting a permit. So that typically takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get the planning and designing engineering work done. From there, we prepare our application package for our permitting through the city, and we submit that and wait for their feedback and their approval for the project. So that process typically takes, again, between 2 and 3 weeks. It can take as little as 2 or 3 days, but that's not very likely, and it can take as much as 4 or 5 weeks depending on how busy the city is with their permit applications and getting through the work they have in front of them. Once we have our application reviewed and we receive our building permit, we're able to start the construction, which again takes 2 to 3 weeks. In that time, we'll complete all the excavation, hauling off the dirt that's excess. We'll install the door, cut the foundation wall so the door can fit in there, and then we will install the drain and put the stairs, pour the concrete stairs, and mostly all the construction will be done. The last thing that we'll have to do, though, is installing the hand railings. And typically those can take between 2 and 4 weeks to get, but depending on which ones you choose, they can take up to 16 weeks to get the handrails. When we're working through the scheduling portion of a project before we start, we'll get a really good idea of what to expect and be able to communicate those expectations with the owner that we're working with on the project. If you're looking to finish your basement or do a basement walkout entry or remodel your home, you can go over to our website, dansiedesignbuild.com, and check out our resources tab where we have lots of free resources for you to enjoy. Thanks, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.